Hey folks, what I got here is a 2017 Ford Fusion with a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost. What I'm going to show you is how to check the spark plugs or change them and the ignition coil. All right, so it's hidden under this cover over here. What you do first, just lift this cover. It's made out of a foam. Yeah, just lift it up out of the way. Dun, 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 dun. These are your 4 coils right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 spark plugs are found underneath. These are the easiest ones. This one, just have to move the hoses over a little bit. And this one, you can work around it. Might have to take a couple clips off. All right, these little Christmas tree clips, just raise them up enough so you can get it. But I'm going to show you that one, how to take that one off. All right, so let me set you up and let's do it. All right, here we go. Let's start with the plug. All right, the little white clip over here, you need to slide it up. That is the lock. Then push the white clip, which push the tab underneath it. Give this a little bit of a wiggle. All right, move this out of your way. Dun, 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 dun. All right, on top of the coils are 8 millimeters. Okay, just crack them. Once you crack them open, you can just spin them off by hand. Whatever you do, don't lose it. Don't drop it. Because it looks like once it goes into that intake there, it's going to be a little problem to fetch it out. So, salt onto it. There you go. Once you get to the coil part, just give it a little bit of a wiggle. Give it the old yank it out. There you go. All right. Check to make sure there's no oil deposits over here. That white powdery substance is good. Nothing burnt out. Okay. Now what I recommend is that you have like a little blower or a vacuum. Before you take the spark plug out, where's my blower? There it is. There's usually dirt in that area. Okay. So to get all the dirt out, I use this, made by Rigid. Okay. Has a nice lifetime warranty on the batteries. So over time, what happens is that dirt gets in there. All right, let's say this is the spark plug that's sticking out. Okay, around this area over here, there'll be dirt. The second you pull the spark plug out, the dirt's going to go in there, and you're going to have engine problems. All right, spark plug is going to be a 14 millimeter. There's a special socket for it. All right, you can get this at AutoZone if you don't have it. Nowadays, the modern cars have these little tiny little spark plugs nowadays. There you go. Let's just spin off nice and easy. We'll see what this little guy looks like. This car was bought used by the customer. It's here for some other problems. But we're going to check this out. I'm going to take this out. I'm going to spin this by hand. There you go. All right. Now she comes. You can see it. Got little burnt marks over here. Yeah, it's about time for spark plugs. Now we'll recommend them. All right, we'll see what the customer wants to do. Ouch, kind of hot. Looks like the original Ford ones. It says HYFS 094YEO or YEC. All right, so this is the point where you go buy your spark plugs, whatever brand you want to. Check the gap on it, and we're going to put it back. All right, so put it back in the socket. So nice and easy, because you don't want to hit anything on the sides, because then you'll bend the gap. Okay, so locate that little hole in there. It should fall right back in. A little bit of an angle, All right, so you have to remember that. It's not straight in like the other cars. And the spark plug should spin in just as easy as it spun out. Okay, should have no little problem with it. Don't want you to force it going straight down when it's actually on an angle, and then you're stripping the spark plug. You strip the cylinder head, because then you run into other problems. All right, so I'm going to spin this by hand as much as I can. Sometimes when you put the ratchet on it, you don't know if you're going in easy or not. All right, set the ratchet the other way. Let's go finish it off. There you go. There you go. All right, nice and tight. What you could do is you could do spark plug torque on it, find that out and torque it. But right now I'm just putting it back and torque the customer into change the spark plugs. All right, so here's the coil. Don't forget it goes on an angle. So when you come straight down, this is going to point towards that spark plug. All right, so let's locate that. Nice and easy. Da, 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 da. Where is it? Gotta peek in there. Find it. There it is. All right, you can actually feel it when it goes into the spark plug top. All right, bolts will go back in. 8mm. Same advice. Bolts will go in really easy. There you go. I'm sure there's torque specs for this too. There's torque specs for everything for out there. But like I said, I'm just putting it back together and see what we can sell to the customer. All right, that is that. This goes in. You should hear it snap. You feel it too, and then push the lock in. Okay, that's it. There's your spark plug change. All right, you do all four. You line up your new cover, your old cover. This little horn-looking thing, like from chess, goes into that hole. I usually try to line that up. Then it punches in, and it locks in. That's it. All right. So there's your spark plug change 1.5 EcoBoost. All right. Thanks for watching, folks.